Hi Andy, నేను మీ Priyanka. Welcome to Learning Lens channel. Now today we will discuss this problem in this figure. L is parallel to N, M is parallel to N, and PQ are parallel to each other. So first we should read the question and we should compare it with the question. L is parallel to M, M is parallel to N, and PQ are parallel to each other. Then what we need to find? A degree plus B degree minus C degree. So before going to find the A, B, C, we need to know some concepts. What are those corresponding angles? Linear pair and co-interior angles. Okay, we should be aware of that before going to solve this problem. Now, first we need to solve this. So how A, B, C? So first we are going to solve 4B plus 120 is equal to 180. Why? Because what's the reason? These two are co-interior angles. Means these two lie on the interior part of the parallel lines. So these two are co-interior angles. 4B is equal to 180 minus 120. So 60. 4B is equal to 60. B is equal to 60 by 4. 4 ones. So cancellation. Look at here. Cancellations. 4 ones are 4. So 2 is left. So for 5s are 20 degrees. B is equal to 15 degrees. Next, these two also lie on the interior part only. So 3a plus 120 degrees equal to 180 degrees. So 3a is equal to 180 minus 120. That is 60 degrees. A is equal to 60 by 3. That is 20 degrees. Understood? Up to here you understood. Both are nothing but co-interior angles. Sum of co-interior angles is 180 degrees. Next, how these two look like linear pair? So 120 degrees and 5c. So linear pair means they should have the common arm and the remaining rays are opposite rays. So 120 degrees plus 5c is equal to 180. What's the reason? Sum of linear pairs. So 5c is equal to 180 minus 120. That is nothing but 60 degrees. C is equal to 60 by 5. In 5 table, 5 ones 1. So 1 is left. So 12 degrees. Now what's the reason? We need to write here. Sum of linear pairs is 180 degrees. Now we got the A value. A is 20. So circle this. B is 15. And C is 12. So what we need to find? A degree plus B degree minus C degree. Okay, what is A value? 20. B value? 15. 20 plus 15 minus C degree. 12 degrees. 20 plus 15 how much? 35. Minus 12 how much? 23 degrees. 23 degrees is the answer. So how we got that answer? By solving A, B, C step by step. So first solve the B, next A, next C. So after solving this, keep these values in this and we will get the answer. Okay, thank you.